Hello, dear little friends. Welcome to Dive into Pooja's books. This is that beautiful part of the year called fall or autumn when the leaves change their color from green to yellow, orange, red, or even violet sometimes. We are going to see today why does the leaves change color. If you live in certain parts of the world, especially in middle and eastern parts of the US or in Europe, you will see something happen each fall or autumn that is almost magical. What is it? It is the changing colors of the leaves on many different types of trees. You can see those beautiful colors in the tree behind me. It has beautiful red, yellow or orange color. Some of the prettiest fall trees are the maple trees, walnut trees, aspen trees or oak trees. These trees and every other tree that loses its leaves are called deciduous trees. Each year, deciduous trees go through a process in which their green leaves become bright yellow, gold, orange and red for a few weeks, before turning brown and falling to the ground. During the months of September, October and November, the changing colors of a tree's leaves is something we all enjoy. But believe it or not, the trees don't change their colors, so we will just have something pretty to look at. There is actually a reason for the many colors of fall. Photosynthesis is the process trees and plants use to make their food. Taking energy from the sun, water from the ground and carbon dioxide from the air, the trees make glucose or sugar to eat so they can grow into strong, healthy trees. The leaves of a tree are where photosynthesis happens because the chlorophyll in the leaves is what makes photosynthesis possible. Chlorophyll also has another job. It is what makes leaves green. So as long as the leaves are able to soak up enough heat and energy from the sun to make food, the leaves on the tree stay green. But when the seasons begin to change and the weather turns colder and the days become shorter, which means there is less sunlight for the trees or the leaves to absorb and to make the food. So what happens is leaves change color because they are hungry, sort of. When the seasons change in places where deciduous trees grow, the days get shorter, there is less sunshine and the weather gets colder. When this happens, it is harder for the chlorophyll in the leaves to make the food needed to stay green. So instead of making more food, the leaves start using the food they have stored away for this time of year. As the leaves use the food or the glucose that has been stored away, a layer of cells form at the bottom of each leaf. These cells are spongy like a cork. Their job is to act like a door between the leaf and the rest of the tree, a door that closes very slowly and does not shut until all the leaves' food is gone. While this is happening, the colors in the leaves of the trees are able to show through. That's right. The red, yellow, gold and orange colors are hiding in the leaves all summer long. The colors just can't be seen in the summer because of all the chlorophyll in the leaves. Remember, chlorophyll is what makes the plants and leaves green. Leaf color comes from pigments. They are natural substances produced by leaf to help them obtain food. The three pigments that color leaves are chlorophyll, green, carotenes, yellow, and anthocyanins, reds and pinks. So these pigments, the green, yellow, red and pink pigments are always present on the leaf. It is just that throughout the year when there is more sunshine, chlorophyll is the pigment which overcomes and hence only the green part is seen. Now when in autumn the chlorophyll decreases, the other pigments also start showing their color, and that is how you see all the different colors. Once all the food is used up, the leaves turn brown, die and fall to the ground. Now what happens to the rest of the tree? You might be wondering how the rest of the tree keeps growing when the weather turns cold and the leaves die and fall off. Doesn't the rest of the tree need food made by the tree's leaves? No, not really. The tree trunk and branches get food from the roots of the tree. The roots supply water, vitamins and minerals they get from the ground. Yes, trees need sunshine and warm weather to grow, but they also need time to rest during the winter. So the next time you see a nice green leaf on the tree, you will know why it won't stay that way for long.
There are few trees which are evergreen trees whose leaves stay attached to them longer. Evergreen trees don't have to drop their leaves because these trees first came from cold climates. This shape allows the evergreens to conserve water, which is needed for photosynthesis. Because they have more water than their deciduous cousins, their leaves stay green and stay attached longer.
I hope you really enjoyed this video. Take care, bye-bye. See you. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.